Hi guys, welcome to our channel Hana Beauty. And self-care is a long journey that I'm really happy to join with you on that journey to help you become healthier and beautiful every day. And if this is your first time here, please subscribing and hit the bell button to get a notification of our latest video. Both yogurt and lemon are skin brightening properties. When combined, the vitamin C in lemons and lactic acid in yogurt can lighten the skin. Using a yogurt and lemon face mask can brighten dark areas such as spots, under eyes circles, and hyperpigmentation. And yogurt and lemon both moisturize the skin and help remove blemishes. And lemon also contains vitamin C that protects the skin from UV damage. And yogurt improves the overall skin texture and even makes skin brighter.
You need yogurt and lemon juice. And what you have to do, first one, take lemon juice from a fresh lemon. As part of citrus family, it's no surprise that lemons are high in vitamin C. This natural bleaching agent can yield a natural brighter complexion. Vitamin C is also an antioxidant that prevents aging and sun damage. Researchers found that topical vitamin C protects against sun damage, pigmentation, and aging. Lemons are rich in vitamin C and citric acid, so they can help brighten and lighten your skin when used over time. Vitamin C is a great antioxidant for neutralizing free radicals and boosting collagen production. Mix yogurt and lemon juice thoroughly. Yogurt, too, can provide hydrating, rejuvenating, and acne-clearing benefits to the skin. The lactic acid in yogurt is an AHA that sloughs off dead skin cells, revealing smooth skin. Lactic acid also has anti-aging benefits, keeping the skin moisturized, firm, and clear. Fermented yogurt that contains good bacteria called probiotics may be even more beneficial. In May 2015, a study published in the International Journal of Women's Dermatology, researchers found that topical application of probiotic-containing facial creams resulted in decreased inflammation, increased antimicrobial properties of skin, and reduced acne severity. Yogurt contains lactic acid and alpha-hydroxy acid that dissolves dead skin cells. This gentle exfoliation not only helps to create a natural glow and prevent breakouts, but works to diminish the appearance of lines and wrinkles. And it's full of protein, calcium, vitamin D, and probiotics, the healthy bacteria that aid digestion. There's no doubt yogurt provides delicious benefits for your insides, but it can also do beauty wonders for your outsides as well, namely for your skin. And leave it on for 20 minutes. And wash your face with cold water.
And now you know how to yogurt and lemon juice is good for your facial skin. And if you want to try it and tell the results, see you in next video. And don't forget subscribing and hit the bell button to get all beauty tips from us.